BB gang, it's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shava.
And it's your coconut milk boy over here too.
That's not
I said
coconut
coconut
milk.
milk. I said coconut milk. Anyways guys, what's up guys? We are back with another video, man. Back with another cooking video, man. What we doing today, babe?
We are going to be making the world's biggest Popeyes chicken sandwich. Spicy chicken sandwich.
Yes guys. As you guys know, if you didn't get the Popeyes chicken sandwich, you probably won't get it because I'm hearing they're gonna be discontinuous. That means it won't happen no more, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know. If you drive by a few Popeyes, it says what? Coming back soon. I don't know if it's coming back soon.
Be back soon.
It'll be back soon. So I don't know if it's coming back soon or not. So I really want to try it again.
I do too.
But it was the other day we came with this video. I was like, you know what? We can make our own.
Yeah, let's just make our own.
We're gonna make our own. So we got the ingredients right here.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be a little different. Or it's gonna be not just a little regular burger. It's gonna be a big burger, like
the size of his head.
Pretty much. So this gonna be making the world's largest Popeyes chicken sandwich. You know what I'm saying? So you both jump right in this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna show you what we got right here.
All right, guys. So like we said, we're gonna be making the world's largest spicy chicken sandwich. So in order for us to achieve that, we need some big buns. We got some big buns. We got some big buns.
Y'all see this little circle right here compared to this big bun?
And I think it's two of them in here.
Oh, it's two? No, it's one. Front and the back.
Well, we're gonna make it. Oh.
Yeah, front and the back.
Okay, you're right.
It's gonna be maybe even more bigger.
Yes. So we got the King's Hawaiian round Hawaiian sweet bread.
So what else we got right here?
We have some ground turmeric, paprika, MSG accent seasoning, Caribbean tradition thyme, garlic powder, white ground pepper. I've never heard of this. This is the first. So yeah.
Yeah, I never heard that before, guys. So
basil leaves, onion powder, mayo for the spicy sauce, hot sauce, pickles, my favorite pickles. Yeah, flour. And butter.
Oh, last but not least, buttermilk. Guys, look at all this.
All this stuff just to make a sandwich.
Look at all this season just to make a sandwich. Wow. But last but not least,
we have the chicken. So let me explain to them what we're gonna do. So guys, what we're gonna do to achieve the big, giant, spicy chicken sandwich, I thought of something. We could combine two chicken sandwiches together to make it into a gigantic chicken patty. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So yeah guys, like he said, comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. Let's go. Peace.
Show my face too.
He's so silly. So silly.
So guys, we got three. Look. First of all, look at the size of these, bro. Like, it's the size of her hand. What the hell? So guys, we were just thinking, cause you know we show you this the bread. We were just thinking, since it's that big, we're gonna need not just one, not just two, but maybe three. But I think two would do, but maybe three to cover the whole sandwich. That's how big this bread is, guys.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So right now, we about to season it up on top. You know what I'm saying? Get the spice and stuff on it, and then we gonna see where it goes. You know what I'm saying? So. Garlic powder.
Onion powder.
Accent. Y'all like my Jamaican accent, man?
White pepper, ground white pepper. Thyme. Basil leaves.
Basil, make that body basil.
paprika, turmeric, and
Ground turmeric.
cayenne pepper.
So guys, as you guys can see, we just put all the seasoning, all the seasoning majority of it. Huh? We put all the seasoning, already put majority of it.
No, we put all of them.
Okay guys, as you guys can see, we put all these seasoning right here on this one. Right now we're just mixing it in, make sure you get all over the meat. This look. Yeah, remember guys, remember it was in the bowl, it was kind of whitish. Look, oh look what it is. Oh, by the way guys, we said we're gonna cook spicy, right?
Spicy.
Yeah, it's gonna be spicy, so look guys.
Really.
Okay, not the smell, but smell like a pound of seasoning.
Right now, we're just going to put all the seasoning to the side, and then we're going to put the buttermilk in a bowl with the hot sauce.
Yes, guys. So you want what you gonna do? Mix
This
it
is
together?
like a spicy marinade, but it's not actually marinating because we about to cook it right now. So this is kind of like a spicy coating.
So what are you gonna do? Mix it?
Let's be quick.
So you guys, as you guys can see, you see the little smoke right there? There was a little water in there, you know what I'm saying? You're drying it out, and then we're about to pour some oil. Probably gonna use all this oil over here. I don't know, maybe. So yeah, guys, join in with us. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, so right now we're pouring the oil in there. Guys, let's look how many oil she's finna pour. I see it rising over there. You done the oil. You need more, huh?
Deep fried, baby.
Deep fried. Damn, I did it to the end of there.
Cheese.
It's over there. Guys, remember I showed my hands. You sure my hands was? There. We got two. We thought it was light.
Alright guys, so I have my measuring cup here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cup of buttermilk. And then maybe a half a cup of hot sauce. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do a fourth. I'm not sure. We're going to see. We got the Greater Value. Cultured is low fat buttermilk. So it's 1%. It smells like cheese.
Sure, we're smelling the damn buttermilk. What's next, baby girl? What next, chef?
Alright, so next will be the hot sauce. I love this hot sauce.
Was it Louisiana?
Yes, Louisiana hot sauce. Says 1 drop does it.
You say spicy? You finna be spicy, alright.
Like this is what I used to do, y'all.
Did you just taste the pepper?
I used to do that with her kid. It's good. Alright guys, so thing with this, you gotta
Wait, help me. What's put in there?
I should put the whole bottle.
You trying to burn my system onto there or something?
Oh shit, someone coming out.
So guys, she dumped the buttermilk and the sauce in it. Now, you guys can see it's changing color.
They see you, babe.
Huh?
They see you.
They see me? You sure they see me?
I think so.
Alright. Alright, so right now we got the famous flour. You see me?
Oh! Oh! His heavy-handed self. Jesus. Lord, look at that. He is heavy-handed. Smack the
So I
hole
put from
in
this side
him.
now?
Yep.
Oh, I'm so wild.
You are. Thought you knew. So, okay. You're not a cook unless you don't get flour on you, so. No, I would say do not put that in that bowl. Alright guys, so what he's about to do, he's about to put the flour in the bowl and he's gonna add seasoning to it.
Alright.
Alrighty, so now put some spices in there, baby.
Spicy?
Put some spices.
What kind of spicy do you want in there?
So you have the option out of black pepper, you have the accent, you have the cayenne pepper. Y'all, we're not going off no recipe.
I don't know how much. Who?
That's enough.
Guys, she just told me to just do something.
That's enough. Don't
I don't even know how much I'm gonna put in there. What does he need?
put some cayenne pepper in there.
This cayenne pepper?
Yeah, put just a little bit in. Put a little bit of cayenne. Okay, yep.
She's like, yeah. What else?
Put some, guys, what else should we put in there? Put some white pepper.
White pepper. Where is that? This?
That little, yeah.
White pepper.
You do not have to open it like that.
Oh.
Okay. Yep. Yep. Good. All right. Stir it up.
Guys, y'all hear that? Oh. Guys, I don't know. I'm gonna do one more time for y'all. Why are you over there?
Because I don't need nothing popping on me.
Bring your ass over here. Come on, show the people what we got. Come on. Alright guys, so we got the flour done.
Babe,
this
what
is
that look
done.
like? So right now what we're about to do is we're about to dip this inside the flour, and then after it comes out the flour, dip it in the buttermilk, and then dip it right back in the flour for that crispy, crunchy crust.
Alright, so wait. So what you gonna do with the mayonnaise?
This is gonna be the spicy mayo, baby.
Mix together?
Spicy mayo.
Mix together?
Yes.
Like when you put it on the burger, you put it together?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so without further ado, we're finna jump in it. Is this hot? This
Yep,
hot?
I think
this seasoning up. This is ready. This ready. She's ready. I'm ready. You guys are ready. So let's go.
Big piece. Look how long that is.
That's what she says.
Take it out.
Mmm.
Dip it back.
I'll dip it back. I got that, guys.
So we're gonna pack it so that way the crust kind of packs on there a bit. You know what I mean, guys? Alright guys, so right now I'm about to dip the chicken in.
See guys, we already did that.
Yeah, so
Dip it in this and this. We dip it in this 2 times and this one time. Now we're finna dip it in here. Ooh. Holy crap.
we're gonna do one at a time.
Now guys, that's it. Why you over there?
Cause I don't put it in. We're gonna use this to pick it up.
Over here. So babe already started, what you got right here?
I started on the spicy mayo.
I forgot to record that, my boy.
Yeah.
So what you did, what you mixed up?
So what I mixed up is the hot sauce and mayo.
So you mixed up the mayonnaise
Yeah.
and Louisiana hot sauce right there. That's on the bread. Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it just to make sure, like just to see how it tastes or whatever. If it's good, then it's good to go. If it's not, then I'll add something that's missing. I don't know. But just stir it up. Alright guys, so here we go.
Y'all see the 2 difference, guys? Like these 2 are perfect, but this one was a mistake. Don't follow what we did, guys. We left the stove on by mistake, and then it was super hot. We dipped it in. These are supposed to come out. These look super juicy and spicy. So yeah.
Now we're about to put the bread in the skillet just to toast a little bit. So we're gonna put butter inside of it, and then we're just gonna put the bread on, like facing down. And then after that, we're gonna come back and make the sandwich for you guys. So yeah, we got the chicken, we got the spicy mayo, we have the pickles. So yeah guys, all we need is the bread.
So right now, guys, we just we put butter in the pot. We're just gonna toast the bread pretty much. Toasting the top part, and then we're gonna toast the bottom part after. Guys, this looks So apart from this, but these two right here, they look so Popeye-ish.
Alright guys, we are now done with everything. Oh, I turned it off already. So now what we're gonna do first is put the spicy mayo on the bread.
Spicy. This is gonna make it even more spicy than what it already is. But if you go to read Popeyes, guys, this is how it actually look. Like this is how it actually look, guys.
Gotta make some drip on the side, you know what I'm saying?
And guys, we want to make one because it's so big, so we're gonna cut it in half.
Yeah.
Cause she probably gonna eat maybe literally this and that.
Whatever. All right, now we're gonna put the patty on top.
Ooh, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at this. This is what you call the world's largest chicken, Popeye chicken. Yeah.
All right, guys, we are done making our sandwich. As you can see, we had some mishaps, but it ended up turning out pretty well. As y'all can see, this burger is huge.
Yeah, guys, this is a chicken Popeye spicy chicken sandwich. If you guys would like to make this video, go ahead and make it. I'm pretty sure we'll show how we make ours, so go ahead and make it. And what do you got to say?
Like the thing we said, the one thing we messed up on, well, two things. We left the grease on too long, and then we didn't season on both sides. Yeah. So make sure y'all season on both sides.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below, and also if y'all do make it, take a picture of it and tag our Instagram in it.
Yeah.
So we can see what y'all made and everything. So yeah, guys, without further ado, we're about to end this video so we can go ahead and eat, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.